my name is Charisma, and I'm going to be playing Roblox with my two best friends, Mackenzie and Adrian. The game that we're going to be playing today is the Butchery, and I heard they have some fire shits in that game. Anyways, let's bring them and play the game.
Wow! Let's go!
My name is Charisma.
My name is Mackenzie.
My name is Adrian.
And we are the Cookie Squad.
Yay!
And today, we're going to be playing the Butchery. Right, guys?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, wait, let's go.
Trying to see those brothers. Why am I in the back?
I'm driving!
There are now 17
I'm
missing
not
persons
driving, I'm
cases
in
filed
back.
with
This is
disappearances
actually
traced to
that.
the Cottonwood
I'm not
Mountain
gonna crash, I
region.
promise.
On the line with us now,
Oh,
we
yeah,
have
you're
Susan
Scared.
Fiddlesworth. Hello, Susan.
Ew.
What is that in the distance?
Charisma.
What?
Chris,
Ew!
why are you
Ew, why his arms look like that?
I can't even see a lot. Ew. That's disgusting. Chris, look your door, move your window,
Wait, how do I roll it down?
Chris, move
Your window.
I have to break my window though, he's doing too much.
Please don't break my
Is he gonna pay for that window?
Probably not.
You better pay for that damn window.
So tough. What did you feed it? Those hitchhikers from last week.
Well, looky here! Finally awake! I was beginning to think
No,
you were
that's my
dead!
man, Kenzie.
Welcome to Cottonwood Farm!
Anyway.
I'm Jackson!
What's up with this one's face?
He's looking at you.
William!
He likes you.
No,
What they say about showing some respect when we have guests!
I'm not getting that damn pig.
You're acting like a damn fool, Jackson.
I'm sorry.
You were brought here tonight for a special reason.
I was?
The Lord wants us to show everyone disappoint
That's
the
a
Lord.
heart.
That's so
This
hard.
lil piggy was very naughty,
Oh,
getting loose and scaring you out there on the road. But don't worry,
Sorry.
he's getting a brand new home.
That's scary. I don't like
Look at
it.
the bones.
Charisma.
Ew. Oh, I turned to you. You're so scary. Oh, get out.
Well, I've got a pig to catch.
Where'd it go?
Don't catch something else. Okay,
Anyways.
get me out of this place. They tied
Okay.
me.
Yeah.
There's a hole. Come here.
Ew.
Oh, hell no.
Ew. Like spider.
Wait, Adrian, you try it.
Okay.
Some kind of button. Ooh.
Like come on.
I took the arm off the mannequin.
I'm
Yeah,
dead.
I'm not putting my hand in there. You can put my hand on.
You want me to put the mannequin arm in there?
Sure.
Trying to see. Why did it be?
Oh, it worked.
What worked?
Oh, the door.
Oh.
Walking in place.
She was at the club. Bottles up when I met her.
Oh, this is my.
Cat
Where'd you put that?
statuette.
Put it down. No, it was
I
for.
know.
No,
I
put
took
it.
I took
Where
Where's
you
it
at?
at? Where is
I
it?
don't have it.
Oh my god.
Where you guys at? Where did I
They
put
took
it?
the damn cat statue.
Where?
You're supposed to put it in like the dressers. I think.
Oh no.
Okay, is there a cat
Where's
one?
the cat supposed to be?
No.
Wait, close the door.
Bro, we finna die.
We're dead.
Maybe if you shut up, it will come in here.
Oh, I do have this cat in my inventory. I'm going to cat. Is this me? There's something weird about this painting.
Yeah, there's the X in the corner.
No.
Where's my? Actually, don't die.
No, I'm alive, I'm alive.
Horse statue
Come.
right here.
Come
Adrian,
to
the horse
us.
statue. Right there. You're right there. In the kitchen. It's open for you. Come.
Guys, we're finally reunited.
Okay, I
Damn
put
it.
down the cat statue somewhere.
Cat
Tap
statue?
on you. You have to walk. You try.
There's handgun ammo.
Oh, girl, I thought that was like,
We need a gun.
get the pill. Hey, Prism,
No,
get
I
the
want to see
pills.
the brothers again. Can we like?
Prism, get the pills.
They're downstairs.
Oh, are the brothers in there?
Pig.
Where's the pig? Here's the pig.
Where? It didn't even follow you.
Get out. Adrian, go. Go do the statue, actually. Open it.
Told you.
It's not even
Girl,
here.
that
Go.
was the blinds. That was not the pig.
I know.
Oh.
Adrian, go out.
I'm scared.
Here, I'll
Who
go
has
with
a
you.
gun?
I have
She's
ammo, but
ammo.
I don't have a
Go
gun.
find the gun.
I hear oinks.
Where?
I just heard it.
What's
I
it
heard
calling me?
We're all leaving. You're the one staying here.
I heard a snort.
This is like the eagle.
Wait, can I have it?
There's only 3
Someone get it
Where is it?
and put it.
on the floor.
The-
Can I go
You're
through the
supposed to
window?
put it where it's.
You're so good for I'm trying to close the window first. I coin not on the floor.
You know, like the middle where the TV is at. It
Yeah.
shows you where it is. Go where the TV.
Wait, guys, come
And
with me.
Click on the TV. Go.
Is it in here?
No, it's like where we spawned at. Click on it. I put that one down. Where's that at?
Is this the last one?
Yeah, this is the last one and downstairs.
Oh, I see it. I know where it goes. I can't put it down though.
Where's your plate? Did you drop it?
I couldn't. I still have it.
It's okay. We'll try again. Get out. Have you seen those Peppa Pig infected videos? That's really funny.
No, it doesn't. The Peppa Pig infected has like long necks and stuff.
One.
Nice
I'm sorry. Drink the pill. Drink the pill. Go.
Oh, I was putting it in the
You have to
wrong
go closer.
I put
You
it in
did
the
it
wrong
wrong.
place. I was putting it in the wrong place the whole time. Is it open?
No. Wait,
No.
you said you had the coin? Put it in there.
Girl. Oh yeah, you're right.
It's still.
There's a coin slot right there though.
What is it? That bit? Let's go back.
You guys, this is gonna be a dead end. You guys, look! I
Okay.
found it! Go to the door, go to the door.
brothers at?
Sergeant,
What if there's another one down
evidence could be
here?
related to the Cottonwood disappearances. The head of police has started up a new search, giving...
There's a knife. I took the knife.
Adrian!
I found more ammo, but no handgun.
Y'all are just taking everything. The scale of the region. Sergeant Nelson Tethers commented, "There's just so
What is
much
that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
ground to
There's a
cover."
cow. There's a cow. Oh wait, I think the knife's for everyone, Kenzie. Get it right here.
Where's the cow? Are we supposed to stab the cow?
You just stabbed me.
I'm sorry.
Did you die?
No, wait, Adrian, do you have the bandages?
You just got me again.
I'm sorry.
Where'd it go? Oh.
Bro, all this to
Yes.
fight two brothers, bro. I hate this game. Yeah. Handgun. Let's freaking go. Where's he at? I was
Where's
just
the
down here.
pig?
It's no pig anymore. It's a cow now.
I mean, where's the cow? You're tweaking. I don't see no cow.
I saw it.
I heard it.
I heard it, but not seen it.
Look at what I saw with my 2 eyes.
But there's someone else.
That's her granny, dummy.
Oh.
Oh, guys, why is my
There's
husband like
Is that
that?
your... That's the
Guys,
guy
look
you
at-
guys
does that have
like,
any
by the
mods?
way.
Why is yours smirking like Eli?
Mimo.
No, Eli.
I'm so sorry, Charisma.
But, okay? My husband deserves no hate.
All the hate, by the way?
Oh, okay. Well, yours looks like they abuse people, so... Not my
Yours
thing.
is a part of it.
Oh, I opened the door.
Bro, that's the one to the pig.
Oh, shit. There it is.
Pig and cow.
It's the one for Charisma. Let's see.
What if I just let the pig in? What's down here?
There's the
Wait.
garage.
P.S. The hour hand gets stuck on time.
Wait, what if we're supposed to find the hand of the clock?
Hey, what if we're supposed to shoot this guy?
Look! Because there's like a hand of the clock missing. And what if we put it back and like the 2 says 2:35 and then the kids come? Or the boys.
To reload your gun.
See, I was right.
Told you.
Where'd it go?
Where's my kid?
To kill it. Oh, let me load up my gun. What? He's begging.
What would you us? Revive us now. Drive the car.
By the way.
This thing over here open. Laundry key. I found a laundry key. What is that?
For the laundry room? Guys, I just put that up.
Isn't that
Wait,
for
how do I,
laundry?
how do I
Wait.
reload my gun?
I'm actually sad he died.
No, okay. Agent.
Oh, sorry, dude. I thought you were one of the brothers for a second there. Dude, you have no idea how good it feels to see another person's face who's not trying to kill me.
Who said I'm not trying
Listen.
to kill him?
I'm in the same situation as you right now, dude. And we don't have a lot of time.
Okay, dude.
Dude, or we follow
There.
you.
The garden. That's our best way out of here. They've, like, chained off the whole porch, but there's a door over there.
He talks
I
like
saw the brothers with the key not too long ago.
That was awesome! I told you the pig in the garage was a great idea.
Oh, so
You
they're
weren't
trying to
the
kill
one
us.
that had to catch it.
Did you find that other guy? The dumb one with the baseball cap?
He got away. I noticed the garage is open, so they've gotten this far. But don't worry. He'll turn up eventually.
What was that?
Come here. More handgun ammo for someone. Handgun ammo over here.
You guys.
The cow. I found the cow.
That's like a deer.
Yeah, good one. That was good.
Look at that.
That's a cow. Look at its
Good job,
udders.
Adrian. There's a trap door.
Let's go.
The lion looked to the east where the sun shone bright. In the afternoon, the lion shredded north along the riverbank, hoping to catch a meal before night. In the evening, the lion headed south looking for a place to rest. That's where we have to go, under the soft moonlight. You have to go east, north, and south. What is that?
I don't know my north, east, south, or west.
All I know is the north is up.
Yeah, Mr. Warriors taught me that. I found the clock key. In hand. Wait, what time is it?
Oh,
2:35.
2:35.
Oh wait, we have to go the other way if I want it to be 2:35.
Yes, that's
Remember
right.
what Mr. Robbie taught you?
Are we serious?
Did you do your Excel?
I never did IXL, I'm gonna be honest.
I tried to because my grade was bad.
Okay, so do I have to make the clock? Do I have to make the time 2:35?
Yeah, I think so.
2:30.
I did it.
We did it. We got the key.
Wait,
50
what?
ounces of
Is
you.
it still a cow?
Adrian, I hate you. We got it. It's open. The bookshop room.
I know, it's because I flipped over the timer.
We're stuck. Come on. Come on. Come on, you have to come.
Others trapped me in the basement, man. I managed to get away, but dude, there's something down here with me. And dude, I think it has the key.
Dude.
You gotta help me, dude, and quick. I don't know how much longer I can... Wait, dude, we can talk about this.
Oh my. There's a real human foot in there.
Guys, for me.
Wait. I'm not here yet.
Guys, there's more here.
Dude, we gotta stop meeting each other like this.
Where?
Something's walking around down here, man. And I only just
Oh,
managed to give him the
camcorder.
slip. Oh,
There's a camcorder
and
on the
dude,
floor.
I saw it. They've got the key to the garden down here. I didn't see where they hid it, and I don't think I can find it. Especially not with one hand. But you can, man. Dude, promise me that even if I don't get out of here, you'll make them both pay for what they've done, man.
I promised you.
You promise? Okay. Now let's go get that key.
That's the thumbnail. Baseball cap guy.
It's okay.
Poor dude.
See you later.
Sorry for you, guys.
I'm out of the basement.
Adrian. Wait, I feel. So basically, this game is like really hard and we don't know what we're supposed to do. So we're gonna do our research and we're gonna have a part 2.
We'll play in the next video, I think.
Yes, maybe. If you guys like it. And
See you
we're
in the
gonna,
next video.
we're gonna go play Demonology.
Okay.
Like and subscribe, guys. See you in the
video's
next
not
video.
over.
We need it. We need the money.
Bye.
Yes, we need
Bye.
the minis. So we're gonna go exercise some demons for some money.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, guys.
Bye.